Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales here today at the 2018 Houston Truck Show, looking at our Kenworth W900 truck and pup that we brought out here. As you can see, it's really customized here. Got that custom front bumper you won't see anywhere else. We got a lot of different custom bumpers available if you'd like a quote on that. We got all clear LED lights on the whole truck here. See there on the bed, you got clear lights with the chrome bezels. .24/5 tires, Ridgelane dump bodies with the trench gates, matching pup trailer here, electric tarp on the pup, and then this extra long trailer here. This is basically the shortest truck you can have and get 80,000 pounds in all 50 states. So this has a 51-foot axle spread. So center of front axle to center of rearmost axle is 51 feet. And I'll go ahead and walk around and take a look at some of these other trucks here in a minute. Nice thing also about these truck and pups is they can handle rough terrain really well, and they're a lot harder to tip over. This trailer has a 13-foot bed, and the truck has a 14-foot bed. So it just makes it real easy to dump on rough terrain. You don't have to nearly be as worried about tipping over as an end dump or something with a longer bed. So it's just real stable, safe truck here. Around the front, got the mean looking visor on there. All right, maybe we'll get one of these compound setups on there next. Nice speed here, judging by the suspension here, might be a 90s truck. You can see it still cleans up nicely.